Do you still do your speed rampings with time remapping? I mean, it's totally fine, but let's do it better. How's it going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to create this smooth and beautiful speed ramping using just a plugin called Twixtor. Go to Premiere Pro, place the footage you want to use. Right-click on the footage and click Nest. Give it a name. I want to name it Snowboarding. Now go to Effects panel and search for Twixtor. Drag and drop it onto your nested footage. Now head to the Effect Control panel, scroll down. Set a keyframe for speed. For this footage, I'll set the first keyframe to the value of 200. Move a few frames forward. Set another keyframe with the same value. Again, move a few frames forward and set the third keyframe. Right-click on it and select Ease In. This will make your speed ramp transition smoother. Now I'll set its value to 30, so I'll get a super slow speed ramp for my footage. You can now play with these keyframes and adjust the smoothness of your speed ramp. It's up to your choice. You can also add a little bit motion blur if you want to. In my case, I don't need it. But here's a close-up comparison of a speed ramp with and without the motion blur. Once you're done adjusting your keyframes, press Enter to render your footage. You can also either add a whoosh sound effect to enhance it more, or add a matching music just like me. You can download this plugin and footage I've used using the link in the description. Don't forget to drop a like and comment and hit the subscribe button. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.